I'm Peter Licorinas. If you're serious about investing in property, you're serious about taking your property investing to the next level, then you need to come on our 3-day property foundation course, covering the main strategies, the strategies working best in today's market, from HMOs, land assembly, title splits, commercial to residential, and development in general.
And I'm Mark Lloyd, and those 3 days will change your life. Come along and find out. Click the link below to join us on our next Foundations course.
We look forward to seeing you soon.